Welcome to the product demonstration of RF control intelligent buggy robot. In this product we are using 12 volts 1 amp battery pack and RF receiver and PIC microcontroller and 829 3D motor driver, and also we are using a 4 BO motors. So here we can see which is controlled by this 829 3D motor driver, and also we are using a RF transmitter. So here we can see this is the RF transmitter, and we are providing for this RF transmitter using this 9 volts battery. So coming to this battery pack, each battery have a 4 volt 1 amp capacity. If we add this in series, so it will be a 4 is equals to 12 volts. In series manner, voltage will be added and the current will be same. So that's why it is a 12 volts 1 amp battery. So we are charging this battery using this rectifier and step down transformer. So here we can see we are providing a 230 volts power supply to this step down transformer. So it will take the 230 volts, and the second side of the step down transformer we can see it will give 12 volts with 1 amp AC. That AC will be given to this rectifier. This rectifier converts AC to DC because we need to charge this battery in a DC voltage. So that's why we are converting this AC voltage into a DC voltage. So now we are giving here to charge this battery. So we can see there will be light indication, which means this battery gets charging. So we need to charge this maximum of 6 to 7 hours, then only it will works good. Now coming to the RF module. So here we can see this is the RF module. So it is converting digital values into a analog signal. That analog signal will be transmitted by using this antenna. This antenna will be transmit the analog signal. That analog signal will be received by this antenna, and it will give the connection to this IC. So it will take in the analog signal and it is converting into a digital signal. That digital signal will be given to this PIC microcontroller. So PIC microcontroller taking the signal. So based on the signals we are giving the forward, backward, right, left directions to this 829 3D motor driver. So here we can see there will be a totally 6 connections. 4 wires are given to this 4 motors, and 2 wires are the power supply for this PIC microcontroller. So for the power supply, so we are taking the 12 volts power supply that will be given to this 829 3D motor driver, and also here we can say there will be IC called 705. It takes the 12 volts and it will be give the 5 volts of output. That 5 volts of output will be given to this PIC microcontroller. So here we can see this is a black and brown are the negative positive power supply for the PIC microcontroller. So it will be give the signals based on the RF module. So it is taking the signal and is processing the signal. That signals will be given to this 829 3D motor driver. So it will give the 5 volts of signal only. So this motor will be rotate on the 12 volts of power supply. So when we give the 5 volts of power supply, so this motors are works on the 12 volts of power supply. So that's why we are using this 829 3D motor driver. Now we need to on this power supply, and also before on this one we need to on this RF transmitter. So now I am giving the here we can see we have mentioned here F, B, R, L. Now I am pressing F means it is forward and stop, B for the backward, and R for the right, and L for the left. I will show you here flow. So this is the forward and backward, for the right, and this is the left. So in this way we are giving the digital signals to this IC, and is converting to the analog signal or radio frequency signal that will be transmitted through the antenna, and it is receiving this antenna and is taking the analog signal to a digital signal, and the signal will be given to this PIC microcontroller. So in this way this part will be works. Thanks for the watching.